Hello viewers and happy Halloween, and welcome to my Halloween special, in which today I will be reviewing the one, the only, Ghostlight Ramone. Now, as most of you probably know, Ramone is, known and renowned for painting. Like, he's normally seen sporting different liveries, like sometimes he'll be wearing purple and red and blue and yellow and I think even green at one point. He's, sported a whole bunch of different liveries, throughout his, life. And, and this variant of him is no different. You know, this variant of Ramone appears in the short film Mater and the Ghostlight, which can be found on the DVD of the original Cars film, which I think is very cool. Well, actually, that does beg the question, when was the first Cars film released? I think it was like July or sometime like that. I don't know. I mean, I really need to double check. So, I don't know. Let's have a closer look at him, shall we? So, as you can see, this is, well, it says new on it, but yeah, this was made all the way back in 2007, which was 18 years ago. That's right, 8 years ago. I think it's crazy to think now. It's crazy. I don't know. I just can't comprehend it. It was that long ago, 18 years ago. Can't you believe it? And there we are. There's a picture of Ramone himself from the short film. A still picture. Still, well, actually, what does it sound? Let's have a look at the back. There you go. Cactus McQueen and Barney Cones and Ghostlight Ramone and Aloft. Did you get the joke? TJ, Bruiser Pekelski, Corey Turbowitz, and I think it's Charlie Checker, I'm pretty sure. Still, all very interesting. Let's have a closer look at Ramone himself. So here we are, there's the badge. Oh, well, Ghostlight Ramone, obviously. And there's the car itself. Not very easy to see, I must admit. So, yeah. There we are. I mean, I absolutely love the accents on him. I mean, the colour as well. The colour choice is absolutely phenomenal, in my opinion. It's great. I love it. Look at the back. There you go. Let's have a look at the back. Wrong side. Here we are. Still low and slow number plate. Well, probably. I mean, I'm not 100% sure on that, but yeah, what can you do? Hey, look at his roof. It's brilliant. Yeah, let's have a look at his front now, shall we? Here we are, look. That is just spectacular. 1959 Chevrolet Impala. I actually think it's quite a good looking car, those cars. I mean, I do love my American muscle, so, it's understandable why I think that. So, yeah, overall, he's a pretty cool car, so, you know what? You know what I'm gonna say? Have a happy Halloween, folks!